Hello and welcome. Daily use sentences. Number 46. When I was in school, I could speak Hindi. When I was in school, I could speak Hindi. जब मैं स्कूल में था, मैं हिंदी बोल सकता था. जब मैं स्कूल में था, मैं हिंदी बोल सकता था. जब is when, मैं is I, school is school, मैं is in, था is was. मैं is I, हिंदी is हिंदी, बोल is speak, सकता था is could. When I was young, I could run very fast. When I was young, I could run very fast. जब मैं छोटी थी तो बहुत तेज दौड़ सकती थी. जब मैं छोटी थी तो बहुत तेज दौड़ सकती थी. जब is when, मैं is I, छोटी is young, थी is was, तो is not used here. Then is to. Okay, when I was young, then I could run very fast. It gives the meaning of then, to, which is not used in English. Okay, बहुत is very, तेज is fast, दौड़ is run, सकती थी is could. We are not using any word for I here. Okay, so you can use this format or this format. It is left to you. Both are right. Last year, I could lift 100 kg of weight. Last year, I could lift 100 kg of weight. पिछले साल मैं 100 किलो वजन उठा सका. पिछले साल मैं 100 किलो वजन उठा सका. पिछले साल is last year, मैं is I, 100 is 100, kilo is kg, वजन is weight. Okay, weight. उठा is lift, saka is could. Okay, now this saka gives the meaning that it was one time event. Okay, one time event. I could not speak English 5 years ago. I could not speak English 5 years ago. मैं 5 साल पहले अंग्रेजी नहीं बोल सकता था. मैं 5 साल पहले अंग्रेजी नहीं बोल सकता था. मैं is I, 5 is 5, साल is years, पहले is ago or before, अंग्रेजी is English, नहीं is not, बोल is speak, सकता था is could. The roof could not or couldn't bear the stress of the snow. The roof couldn't bear the stress of the snow. छत बर्फ के तनाव को सहन नहीं कर सका. छत बर्फ के तनाव को सहन नहीं कर सका. छत is roof, बर्फ is snow, के of, तनाव is stress, को कारक, सहन कर is bear, नहीं सका is could not. Okay, we couldn't beat them in football. We could not beat them in football. हम उन्हें फुटबॉल में हरा नहीं सके. हम उन्हें फुटबॉल में हरा नहीं सके. हम is we, उन्हें is them, फुटबॉल is football, में is in, हरा सका is could, हरा is beat, हरा सका is could beat, हरा नहीं सके is couldn't beat. Okay, could you teach me Hindi please? Could you teach me Hindi please? क्या आप मुझे हिंदी सिखा सकते हैं? क्या आप मुझे हिंदी सिखा सकते हैं? क्या in the beginning question, आप is you, मुझे is me, हिंदी is हिंदी, सिखा is teach, सकते हैं is could. Okay, so please is कृपया, which is not used here in Hindi sentence. All right, so it is enough if you say this. Could he survive without water? Could he survive without water? क्या वह पानी के बिना जीवित रह पाया? क्या वह पानी के बिना जीवित रह पाया? क्या in the beginning question, वह is he, पानी is water, के बिना is without, जीवित रह is survive, पाया is could. So paya gives the meaning that the event was one time. Okay, one time only. Could they not come on time? Could they not come on time? क्या वे समय पर नहीं आ सकते थे? क्या वे समय पर नहीं आ सकते थे? क्या क्वेश्चन, वे इज दे, समय इज टाइम, पर इज ऑन, नहीं इज नॉट, आ इज कम, सकते थे इज कुड. ओके. Why couldn't the doctor save the patient? Why couldn't the doctor save the patient? डॉक्टर मरीज को क्यों नहीं बचा पाए? डॉक्टर मरीज को क्यों नहीं बचा पाए? डॉक्टर इज डॉक्टर, मरीज इज पेशेंट, क्यों इज वाई, नहीं इज नॉट, बचा इज सेव, पाए इज कुड, नहीं पाए इज कुड नॉट. How could she abandon her own child? How could she abandon her own child? वह अपने ही बच्चे को कैसे छोड़ सकती थी? वह अपने ही बच्चे को कैसे छोड़ सकती थी? वह इज शी, अपनी ही इज हर ओन. ओके. बच्चे इज चाइल्ड, को इज कारक, कैसे is how, छोड़ is leave. Okay, but here it means abandon. सकती थी is could. How could anyone stoop so low? How could anyone stoop so low? कोई इतना नीचे कैसे गिर सकता है? कोई इतना नीचे गिर सकता है. Okay, कोई is anyone, इतना is so, नीचे is low, कैसे is how, गिर is stoop, सकता है is could. So here सकता है is used for could because could is used instead of can, or in other words could is used in the place of can. So how can anyone stoop so low? So instead of using can we have used could. So सकता है represents could. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. You can also watch these videos to improve your Hindi.